What it takes to build a beast like Instagram. You know, the app that keeps billions scrolling, liking, and sharing? Let's peel back the layers and dive deep into the architecture that powers this social media giant. If you're an architect, you're tasked with building a system that can handle millions of users uploading photos and videos every single second. Where do you even begin? It's not just about storing images, is it? It's about delivering them lightning fast, managing user data, handling likes and comments, and so much more. Let's start at the top. We have our client devices, your phones, tablets, the gateways to Instagram. These devices send requests to the API. Think of the API as the middleman, the translator between your phone and the backend servers. Now, the real magic happens in the backend. This is where the heavy lifting gets done. Backend server. First, the API request hits the backend server. This server is responsible for processing the request, figuring out what needs to be done. Is it a photo upload? A feed refresh? A like? It's the brain of the operation. Object storage. If it's a photo or video upload, the backend server sends the data to object storage. This is where all the media files are stored. Notice we have separate areas for videos and images. Why? Because videos are much larger and require different handling. Database decisions. Now, we need to store user data, like profiles, comments, and those all-important likes. Instagram uses a combination of databases. Relational Database, SQL for structured data like user profiles and comments. They use a relational database with SQL. Think of this as a highly organized spreadsheet, perfect for data with clear relationships. NoSQL Database, for less structured data, like the feed, analytics, and logs, they use a NoSQL database. This is more flexible and can handle the massive amounts of data generated by user activity. Content Delivery Network, CDN. How do Instagram photos load so quickly, no matter where you are? That's the CDN at work. A CDN stores copies of the media files on servers all around the world. When you request a photo, it's served from the closest server, reducing latency. Cache. To further speed things up, Instagram uses a cache. This stores frequently accessed data in memory, so it can be retrieved much faster than from a database. Think of it as a quick access drawer for the most popular items. Background tasks and queue. What about likes and comments? These are handled as background tasks. When you like a photo, the request is added to a queue. This ensures that the like is processed, even if the system is under heavy load. Background workers. Finally, we have our background workers. These are the unsung heroes, constantly processing the tasks in the queue, updating the database, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Notice the 64 on this box? That suggests a powerful cluster of machines working in parallel to keep up with the demand. It's a symphony of servers, databases, and networks, all working together to deliver a seamless user experience.